Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is Office 2021 versus Office LTSC 2021. What's the difference? So without any further ado, let's get started. Microsoft released Office 2021, the successor of Office 2019, alongside Windows 11 on October 5, 2021, with many new features and a new product, Office LTSC 2021. With the addition of Office LTSC 2021, many users doubt which one to choose, Office 2021 or Office LTSC 2021, and what are the differences. So let's find out what these are. The first difference is that you use Office 2021, you have to pay an annual subscription fee, and for Office LTSC 2021, you'd only have to pay one time a license fee. The second difference is that the co-authoring document feature is unavailable in Office LTSC 2021. With the help of this feature, we could see who was co-working and viewing the shared document. The third difference is that the visual refresh feature is only available for Office 2021 and Microsoft 365, and there are chances that we might get this feature for the Office LTSC 2021. The fourth difference is that Office LTSC 2021 adds support for the following three languages: English, United Kingdom, French, Canada, Spanish for Mexico. There are different bundles of Office LTSC 2021. Apps like Word LTSC, Excel LTSC, PowerPoint LTSC, and OneNote LTSC will be included in every bundle, and depending on the bundle, you can also have the Outlook LTSC, Access LTSC, and Publisher LTSC. And now we also have the LTSC releases for the Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio. Office LTSC 2021 has new features like dynamic arrays and XLOOKUP in Excel, dark mode support, and line focus when you use the immersive reader feature. Other than that, some performance and accessibility improvements have also been made. Now, question is, who should go for the Office LTSC 2021? Microsoft itself answers this question. According to Microsoft, LTSC 2021 is a specialty release with a very small or narrow set of needs. So people with devices that cannot accept future updates for the next few years should go for Office LTSC 2021. Some devices, such as process control devices that are not connected to the internet, should go for this version of Office, as they do not require frequent updates. And last, those unique systems that must stay locked in time. Microsoft believes that people will prefer to go with Office 2021 and Microsoft 365 instead of Office LTSC 2021. And yes, there are some apparent reasons for that. The first reason is Office 2021 and Microsoft 365 provide more features than Office LTSC 2021. And the second reason is that Microsoft makes more money from Office 2021 and Microsoft 365. And one significant benefit of Office 2021 and Microsoft 365 is that we will get the latest updates for all the applications as soon as they come. Now let's talk about the availability of Office LTSC 2021. Office LTSC is available for both Windows and Mac desktop. We have 32 and 64-bit versions for Windows, and for Mac, we only have 64-bit version. For Windows, we should have Windows 10 or 11 for the Office LTSC 2021, and for Mac operating system, Microsoft has the policy to support the current and past two Mac operating system releases. Now let's talk about the support cycle. Users of Office 2021 LTSC will only get to have the bug fixes and security patches for 5 years. And those 5 years are from the release date, not the purchase date. And that is one annoying news for a lot of people. At last, I'll talk about the OneDrive for Business. The OneDrive for Business, which is also known as Groove, is no longer included with the installation of Office 2021 and is not supported for the Office LTSC 2021. So that was all about the Office 2021 versus the Office LTSC 2021. Please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We will see you in the next video.